Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can invest on crypto.com. So in order to invest on crypto.com, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So there are different cryptocurrencies available in order to invest on crypto.com. So first thing first, while you're investing on crypto.com, make sure to select a reliable cryptocurrencies or a popular ones. And also crypto.com supports bank and credit card, debit card, all sort of things. So make sure that you've already linked your information. So in order to invest on crypto.com, first of all, you'll have to buy cryptos. So in order to do that procedure, click the trade icon located in the top left hand side. Also, while doing this procedure, make sure that you've already accessed fiat wallets. If not, tap the account icon located right at the bottom and then click on fiat wallet, go to the prompts and make sure to enable it accordingly. So after you tap on the trade button, next page you'll be able to find two different options located right at the bottom. So in order to invest, you'll need to first of all buy. So click the buy button. Next page is going to ask you to enter in the exact amount of cryptos that you wish to buy, and once you're done entering the amount, next you need to add the payment method. And after you've done adding the payment method, click the submit button. Then once again there will be some sort of confirmation, so click the confirm button. Then you'll be asked to provide in order to verify your identity, and then you've successfully bought Bitcoin on crypto.com. Similarly, you'll have to continue the procedure, and that's basically how you can invest on crypto.com. So in this way you can invest on crypto.com. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.